What's going on, guys? What you're looking at here is called Lux Algo. This is a TradingView plugin. This is very awesome plugin, guys. It's a great tool. In my opinion, it's one of the best softwares out there for trading, whether it's crypto, stocks, indices, currencies, commodities, etc. This is something you want to check out, so let's get into it. Right now, we're looking at Apple Inc. stock right now, and as you can see here, all these little icons here are little indicators of the algorithm, basically stating, hey, you should probably buy or sell here. This would be a good opportunity. So if we zoom in on the chart a little bit, you'll kind of see here what they're talking about. So right here, there was a strong sell signal. And so with that being said, you could see here that the stock started to plummet here in price. Okay. And then again here, there was some indication that things are going to start turning up. And so you can go ahead and see they had a strong buy signal here. And you can see the stock price started to creep up at this point and now is, trending green right now. But this is something that you guys can take a look at for yourself and see if it would help you. I know whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced trader, Lux Algo trading signals could definitely benefit you in any case, whether you're a day trader or you're doing dollar cost averaging. Whatever the case, this software is excellent. I've been using it for a long time. They have different oscillators here. Let's go ahead and show you a little bit more. So for example, if you're having a TradingView, you can use this on a free TradingView account or a premium or pro TradingView account. So in this example, we'll go ahead and click on, let's go ahead and do some crypto. In this case, we'll go ahead and look at Ethereum USD. So we'll hit launch chart right there. And as you can see here again, you're going to see basically this was an excellent time to buy. Okay. And also an excellent time to sell right about there. Okay. So these are things to start thinking about. How can you start getting profit off of your trades? This is an excellent tool. There's also different volatilities you could go ahead and adjust settings with so that you can decide what's the best trading for you, trading style that is. Again, I'm using the free TradingView. As you can see, they're trying to serve me an ad here to buy premium, which means you can currently use free TradingView with this plugin. There's basically, just so you can get a more clear overview, this is a visualization tool to help you be able to decide, hey, what is a good opportunity to buy or sell, essentially, right? And so you can go ahead and use this. And also basically they have a Discord group as well, which is very excellent. You can also sign up for free alerts on there for certain cryptos and things like that. And it's really neat. And you can see here, it's telling you, hey, there was a strong sell signal, strong buy signal here. Okay. And that's something that I find very beneficial just to have that on the fly. Like if you're on your phone or something, just get those little notifications. You can use TradingView on desktop or mobile. This is the current price structure for it. They have monthly $67.99, quarterly you get some savings, about 30% savings, $143.97, and there's $489.99 for a yearly, which saves you 40%. And then the lifetime is $11.97, saves you infinitely once you go ahead and pony up for it. You can pay with crypto on these, which is a super nice feature. These guys offer 24/7 support. And also, guys, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, which I happen to love. That means if you're not satisfied, they'll give you your money back. And it's really a win-win. There's no way to lose with that. I would encourage you, obviously, this is not financial advice, but this is a great tool that I've used personally. I like it. And there's a lot of different tutorials, guys, on how you can set this up. Super easy to do. There's also strategy videos on their YouTube channel. You can check that out as well. And guys, in my opinion, in this day and age, we need to find a way to make money online. If you're into making money online or trying to do it, whether it's stocks, e-commerce, crypto, tons of different options out there, guys, for being able to make money online. That's what this channel is about. So if you want to learn how to make more money online, get your freedom back, get your time back, this is the channel to subscribe to. So I would encourage you to hit the like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you can stay tuned to our next videos. We're going to be covering a lot of things, not just crypto, not just stocks, stuff like that, but just a lot of different spectrum. I'm an entrepreneur. I have a marketing agency background. I have a lot of stuff that I can show you guys as far as things that I've seen in the industry that can try to really help you understand, hey, there's potential and there's options out there for me. I don't have to work a 9 to 5 to make money. I can do a lot of different side hustles, and that's what we're about here. So if you're into that, go ahead and hit that subscribe and that like button, and I would appreciate your support. There's a link in the description for Lux Algo if you'd like to pick it up. There's also a coupon right now at the time of this video to get 60% off for your first month. So definitely check that out. And I appreciate you being here. Stay tuned for the next one. Again, not financial advice, but I would advise you to check out my next video. Be alpha.